Hi all, welcome to another vlog. It's a fine Saturday morning. My kids and I woke up very early today. During weekdays, my kids don't wake up early. Knowing it's a Saturday, they woke up pretty early. They love to water the plants that I let them to do for weekends. My hubby and my kids are getting ready to go for a walk, and my baby is still asleep. So I took this time to cut the veggies that I needed for preparing my lunch. I'm planning to make ghee rice, chicken curry and cauliflower fry for lunch. So I'm keeping everything ready. After a walk, they quickly had a wash and now ready to have breakfast. I didn't prepare any breakfast today as my kids wanted to have some bakery items which I buy for them once in a while, and they love these foods. My little one doesn't eat the bun, but she likes to show that she can too have a bite. I feel a little bit relaxed as I don't have to prepare breakfast in the morning. My daughter loves the view, and now she could recognize the crow, parrots. So she likes when she sees the birds flying. Suresh made the tea for us today, and for the kids we are planning to give them some cranberry juice. My kids always have a competition as to who is going to finish the juice first and who is going to finish it last. Sometimes the one who finishes first becomes the winner, or the ones who finish it last becomes the winner. So my daughter is still having it, and we are leisurely sitting and having our cup of tea, having a family chat and relaxing. The weather is so good today, and my husband took over the kids and I started preparing my lunch. I added some mustard seeds, green chili, curry leaves and some cut onions in a cooking pan. I'm going to prepare chicken curry. And some garlic paste, ginger garlic paste. I started adding the tomatoes when the onions started turning into slightly golden brown. Added a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric and 3 teaspoons of curry powder. Added a quarter cup of water for the tomatoes to get cooked well. So you cover it and let it cook for like 2 minutes. Now I added 500 grams of chicken, cleaned washed chicken, and I again close it up for another 2 minutes. So the water in the chicken will start releasing, and you put it to slow cook. I added like 1 big cup of coconut milk. This is a simple chicken curry. You can check the salt. If there is a difference in the salt, you can add in a bit more. For me, the 1 teaspoon was okay. I added another quarter teaspoon of salt. So depending on the taste. And you cook it up in the slow fire for like maybe good 10 to 15 minutes. So the chicken is like really cooked. This is very quick and easy. The chicken curry is almost done. I prepared some breakfast for my little one, and my husband is feeding her. I'm going to prepare the cauliflower fry now. So I've taken a pan with hot water and added a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to put the cut cauliflower, let it sit in for 10 minutes, and then I strain it and keep it aside. To make a paste, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of gram flour or chickpea flour, and 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Along to this, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of chili powder, and a very little amount of water to make a paste. It has to be a thick paste, it should not be so thin. You can see the texture here. You mix it well, and I've added a quarter teaspoon of orange food color, so that when you fry the cauliflower you get a golden brown color. So this is the consistency that you should have when you mix it. Now I'm adding the drained cauliflower pieces and mix it well and let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we are going to fry it. After 5 minutes I started frying it. Let the cauliflower deep fry. My kids love to have the cauliflower fry. The color is so good. Now you add the rest of the cauliflower and deep fry it. As I said, my son is already there trying to taste it. You like it?
Yes, I like it.
It's tasty?
Tasty? Definitely.
My hubby is helping me in cleaning the kitchen, and my kids are playing around. I don't let them to watch TV very often. I let them play around, run around the house and play with each other. Now I'm going to prepare the rice. So in a pressure cooker I have added 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. This is a simple ghee rice, my kids' favorite rice recipe. And I added 1 cardamom, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick and 1 clove just for the flavor. And I added 1 big onion finely chopped. Let it stir a bit, let it get into slightly golden brown. We are not going to add any tomatoes or anything, it's just only onions and salt, ginger garlic paste. Normally if you add ginger garlic paste in all your variety rice recipes, you will get a very good taste. I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice. I soaked it for 10 minutes and drained it, and I'm adding it to the pressure cooker. So for water, I'm adding 4 cups of water. That is 1 cup of rice is 2 cups of water. So I added 2 cups of basmati rice, then it's going to be 4 cups of water. And you stir it up well, and I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt. You can check salt here. If you think you need more, you can add more. And I'm cooking and covering it for 3 whistles. While I wait for the 3 whistles, my daughter is pulling me, biting me, playing with me. The rice is done. You get a good smell of the ghee. And it's one of a quick, easy rice recipe. Mostly the kids will love this rice. And I garnish some coriander leaves. So almost done. Now we are ready to have our lunch. The rice is so soft and it goes really well with the chicken curry and cauliflower fry. You should really try this cauliflower fry. It's really tasty. Normally kids don't like cauliflower, so if you make it this way, they will really enjoy it. We plan to have some fruit salad and my hubby is going to prepare it. We will be having it during our movie time. We are not able to go out as we are still on lockdown. For the topping, I had some custard sauce. I did a quick clean before I joined with the kids. So almost we have come to the end of our vlog. My kids have finally decided to watch Goosebumps. So we'll be watching that now along with the fruit salad. So see you all in another vlog. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy with your family, and see you again. Thank you.